Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So we waste a lot of time and money in the parlor for skin polishing and face polishing. So I really have a quick solution for it. You can do it at home. For this, you will need two ingredients, that is baking soda and coconut oil. Now let me show you how you can do it. So guys, I have taken 2 teaspoon of baking soda, if you can see it, and I am going to add some coconut oil to it, about 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Okay, make sure it is a thick paste. I'm just going to mix this, and this is the type of consistency you will need. Hope you can see this. Going to take this on my palm and apply it all over my face and scrub it for 2 to 3 minutes. It's an excellent exfoliator for your skin. It will remove the dead skin from your skin. Now girls, if you have an oily skin, you can use the baking soda with your face wash, and you do not have to use this much. You can just use twice a month because it is harsh for your skin. I have done exfoliating, and now I'm going to wash my face and come back. So guys, I have washed my face and I can see my skin is glowing and it feels super soft. So if you like this video, please comment in the comment box to let me know if you have tried this, and also share it with your loved ones so that they do not waste much time in the parlor. And that's it for today. Bye.